For a stay that combines elegance, comfort and top-tier service, Ramada Hotel and Suites by Wyndham, Kusadasi is an excellent choice. From the moment you arrive, the stylish design and warm hospitality set the tone for a truly relaxing getaway. The rooms and suites are spacious, modern and well-equipped, many with private balconies offering stunning views of the Aegean. It's the perfect space to unwind after a day of exploring. The pool area is a standout, large, beautifully designed, and ideal for both relaxation and fun. Whether you're soaking up the sun or cooling off with a swim, it's an oasis of tranquility. Dining here is a treat. With a variety of delicious local and international dishes, every meal is crafted with fresh, high-quality ingredients to suit all tastes. In the evenings, the resort comes alive with a mix of entertainment, stylish lounges, and a laid-back atmosphere, making it easy to enjoy the perfect end to your day. Located close to Kusadasi's beaches, marina, and historical attractions, it's an ideal base for both relaxation and adventure. For a holiday that delivers luxury, comfort, and convenience, Ramada Hotel and Suites is a destination that won't disappoint.